Hey guys, welcome to my decluttering challenge. I'm so excited to get a new start to this new year and declutter, but I'm putting this on my YouTube channel so you can declutter anytime, because clutter can sneak up on us basically anytime, and it does not have to be saved for the new year. So if you ever feel like you need a little bit of a kick in the butt to get some decluttering done, come back to these videos later on in the year as well. We're going to start with the bathroom today because the bathroom is actually one of the easiest places to start with. We rarely have like personal clutter in there or things that are near and dear to our hearts. It's pretty easy to just ruthlessly say, this is expired, I don't use this anymore, this doesn't serve my needs in this bathroom anymore. And hopefully you will feel so good when your bathroom is decluttered that you will want to go on to the next space and you'll have motivation to go on to the next space. Some people tell me that their husbands or whatever are not on board. So maybe if they see a wonderfully simplified bathroom and they notice how much time it saves them and energy it saves them in the morning or at nighttime when they're getting ready for bed, they will want to do this to other places in the house. So that's the goal. Hope that you guys can help declutter your bathrooms with my help here. Again, let me just tell you, these are not rules. These are things that we are doing to work on simplifying. I've studied a lot about this. I've taken a bunch of decluttering courses, I've read books, and these are the things that have helped work for our family, but they might not work for your family, and that's okay. I don't want you to feel like, oh, Christina did this, I have to do it just like her. Take what I'm saying and do what works for your family with some of the principles that we use. I hope this helps. I hope that this is a blessing to you and that you can help get your spaces simplified to save you time, save you energy, and focus on the things that really matter in your life. So we just moved a few months ago. If you're new here, this bathroom is not really like our style or whatever, but it's totally functional. It works. We have 3 kids that are 6, 4, and 1, and it works well for their needs. So I'm going to show you what we've decluttered, what works, what doesn't work, and what we've chosen to keep and get rid of. Now, what you need to know is I'm not telling you that you need to get rid of certain things. This is what works for my kids and our lifestyle and our family, but if there are certain things that like you couldn't do without in the bathroom, then keep them. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. This is not like a right or wrong, or you have to copy everything that I'm doing. I'm just trying to give you tips that are helpful. So on the top of our sink area, I try to keep it pretty neat. We used to have all their toothbrushes like out or like standing up, but I feel like it looks better and functions better when it's contained. We could get a cute little container for that before, but that's like a really cheapy one I got from Walmart. But it has the 3 kids, 3 toothbrushes and 2 toothpaste, because Heidi uses the toddler toothpaste and the other kids use the other one. We try to use up the whole toothpaste tube before we get a new one or before we start a new one, so we only just have like the 1 toothpaste tube for the kids that use it out there at one time. Okay, so we don't have a ton of space underneath here, and we're trying to keep things a little bit more minimal down here to function better for everyone, so everyone knows where things are and can just grab things easily. So we have here is like the one product my kids will use on their hair, extra bath gel back there, and dog shampoo, and then 2 like cleaning supplies that we use for this bathroom. In here we have like the next toothpaste that Heidi's gonna need when hers runs out, and some flossers, diaper cream, and the next toothpaste that the kids will use when they run out. So I love to have 1 spare in the cabinet. Then this is like the bath bowl for the kids. So then my husband can just grab this and help give the kids a bath at night, and we don't have to have the shower cluttered. So if you have the room to just like combine everything in a bowl, then I think it really helps. We have like their little bath cup, and then we have their shampoo, conditioner, body wash, and then the lotion that they use after they get out of the bath. And then literally that's it. We have roll of paper towels for when we clean the bathroom and spare toilet paper. Again, the goal is to make this simple so you have less stuff to manage, so your life is just a little bit simpler. Life with little kids is usually not very restful. You usually don't have a ton of extra time. So this is a way that you can keep things a little bit more manageable, a little bit more minimal, and you can spend your time on things that you actually want to spend your time on instead of, you know, spending time on organizing the bathroom or finding things that you need in the bathroom when you can't find them. I'm interrupting this video for 1 minute to ask you, please click that red button if this is helpful for you. Click the thumbs up. This is what helps support me and helps to keep me being able to provide free content for you guys. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. Now let's go back to the video. We actually do not keep girls' hair accessories and hairbrush and like hair ties in the bathroom. We keep it outside in our family room in this little basket because this is where I'm doing their hair. Like, we generally don't go back into the bathroom to do their hair, so it makes more sense for us to keep this stuff out here. Also, again, if you are doing your girl's hair in the bathroom, then put that stuff in the bathroom. But this is what works for us. All right, now we're in my bathroom, which has quite possibly the worst lighting in our house, but I don't care. Decluttering usually is not pretty, so I don't really care. My job is not to take care of my appearance today, but to take care of the crap in our house. Our bathroom is a lot smaller in this house than it was in our last house. We had a really big bathroom. You can click the link to see the pictures of it. Loved our bathroom makeover that we did. It was huge and it had a lot of storage. And then we moved to this house, which we love, and we're very glad we made the move, but the bathrooms are so much smaller and the storage space is so much less, which is fine. So the things that we stored in the bathroom before, we kind of have to find other spots for, and we have to be really smart with what we're actually putting in this bathroom because we don't want to put things in here that we don't actually need in here. The whole goal of decluttering is so things are easy, simplified. You're not have to like scramble for different things and find things that you can't find behind piles of other things that maybe you're not using all the time. Make your routine simpler, make your life simpler, and just have the things that you need where you need them. Welcome to our small bathroom that it was not really working well for us until recently. We just like cleared everything out. All that we're keeping on this countertop right now is soap, toothbrush. My husband and I use the same base of the toothbrush and have a different top that we put on it, and that's there with the toothpaste. This is an open up medicine closet. I'll tell you about this in a minute, but basically what I do is I have a desk over there that I put all my makeup stuff and all my hair stuff, but I don't love spraying like dry shampoo and hairspray and that kind of stuff out there in the main part of my room, so I keep that stuff in here where I can wipe it down a little bit more easy. Overflowing trash cans, we just got rid of a bunch. All right, so in our medicine cabinet, basically the rule of thumb is to have things that we're using often, and then this is just to keep stuff out of reach for the kids, like medicines and stuff. So I have like face stuff for me down here, face stuff and deodorant. My husband has his shelf up here with his grooming stuff and medicine and like some oils and stuff that we use. And that's it. This is not necessarily my favorite setup, but it does work to be able to close this stuff away and save some space in this small area. Then in the shower, we literally just have the shampoo that I use, shampoo my husband uses, soap. We have our washcloths back here and towels back here, which is also nice to just kind of have them out of view. Doesn't really look pretty, but it's just kind of there. And then down here, I was debating, like, do I show you inside here? But it seems a little personal. Let's just say that this is like hygiene products that we are using and still like have an active need for, but don't need every day. So this is the everyday stuff. This is the stuff that we don't need every day, but still need to have in the bathroom. And then what has really helped me is to be able to put a desk out there that has like my hair dryer, my curling iron, like my hair waver and hair products, and also makeup, because that takes all that stuff out of the bathroom. It used to be like all on our counter here and it was such a mess. So it really worked to like make an extra space out here to just keep the mess over there and not have to worry about it in the bathroom. Where in the bathroom, really this is stuff that we are using in the bathroom, and that's it. So this is the bathroom that I just showed you, and then right out here is the desk that I'm using for all my hair stuff. Hair dryers in these drawers, curling iron, all that stuff is in there. Makeup's in here, but also in like the top drawer here. And I was filming something for you guys over there, so that's why I have a ring light there. Anyway, it just helps keep it out of the bathroom, keep it simplified over here. This is nowhere near full. It's not cute. I made it years ago, and it's all stained on the top, and it needs to be redone, but it works. And that is all about function right now. Decluttering is not about making it look cute. It's not making it look on trend or stylish. It's about function, and it's all about how things work for your family. And this works for our family right now. So I would love to make it over someday. It's just not happening yet. And it works really well to keep the clutter out of the bathroom.